Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the shotgun that fits your playstyle and equipping the right parts. Choose S12K for semi-auto speed or DBS for raw power, then add choke or extended mag and a laser to tighten hip spread. Once done, set sensitivity slightly lower to steady aim and enter close quarter zones. You want to close distance quickly. Make sure to favor chest-to-head aim while strafing. This maximizes pellets on target and keeps you alive in the initial exchanges. Now refine your core execution by drilling aim, movement, and timing. In the practice range, memorize hip-fire spread at 5-10 m and practice short strafes while firing bursts. This lets you land more pellets on a moving target. Once done with drills, practice reload cancel and quick switch so you always have a backup if the shotgun misfeeds. Make sure to simulate building entries and peaks. Repetition teaches muscle memory, so transitions from sprint to shot become automatic under pressure. Finish by applying positioning and combo strategies to win fights consistently. You should approach with a teammate for trade potential, pre-aim choke points, and use flash or smoke to mask your push. Once you clear the first target, immediately switch to your SMG or pistol for follow-up kills to cover shotgun reload windows. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Verify attachments are equipped, lower sensitivity slightly, and rule out latency issues. Adjusting these quickly usually fixes inconsistent hit registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.